As an account-based marketer, wouldn't it be nice to clearly see, in one place, how your marketing dollars are influencing pipeline, revenue, or even how quickly deals are closing with the accounts you want to reach most? Picture this. Your campaigns are in market, you're engaging your top accounts, and you're passing leads to the sales team. But you've got questions. Sometimes launching a campaign or identifying the right content for your audience feels like firing into the dark. How can you be sure the effectiveness of your campaigns or program spend if you don't have the full picture? Is marketing helping to drive more deals? Is marketing helping to drive bigger deals? Is marketing helping to close deals faster and more often? It shouldn't feel like guesswork. Now, for the questions you're asking today, tomorrow, and throughout the entire sales cycle, we have an answer. ML Platform's Journey Acceleration Measurement through seamless integration with Salesforce validates your multi-channel ABM influence on ROI and provides sales and marketing with detailed account insights at every stage of buying. Journey Acceleration Measurement delivers integrated multi-channel measurement across content syndication, display, and LinkedIn ads, so customers and partners know how accounts engage, how campaigns perform, and how in-market programs translate to actual pipeline and actual dollar spend at the bottom line. Now, you can know what's working across the entire sales cycle. That means smarter, more personalized messaging and content that's informed by what's actually working. Focus time and attention on the accounts that are likely to close. Update your strategy with the best performing campaigns and content that attracted and engaged your top accounts. Need to clearly see campaign activity and sales opportunity data side by side? Maybe compare the time it took to get different accounts through different stages of the funnel. Want to optimize your campaigns based on the companies generating the most pipeline? Or the content based on which companies are closing? Or maybe just have a clean picture of performance in a single, easily shareable view? After a 4-minute integration to Salesforce, all this data and more is at your disposal. Everything you need to know about campaign performance, account engagement, pipeline and revenue influence. This is multi-channeled digital ABM reporting. This is Madison Logic.